What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Berenice, and today we are safely and smoothly taking down this boho twist with this amazing DIY product. Continue watching. So on day 5, I did try to refresh my curls with Eco Gel. And believe me, that was a strenuous process. And this is how my hair looked when I finished. So these boho twists managed to last for 7 days. They could not go past the 8th day. Just look at them. Using my DIY product, I went ahead to take down the twist. And voila, the first one is down, no tangles, no breakage. This product is a great detangler and it also treats the hair. Sorry, I lied. I lost a single strand. But that was just it, so let's continue. I'm not doing this style again. First of all, it did not last long. Secondly, I don't feel like it protected my hair. A protective style is supposed to tuck in one's hair, but this one leaves room for the hair to be left out. After taking down a good number of twists, I went ahead to saturate the section with my detangling gel. Then I used my fingers to detangle before going in with a brush. And after that, I put the section in a twist. So basically, I'm using this product to safely take down boho twist, to detangle my hair, and to treat my hair. As a treatment, this product is said to be rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and also has other nutrients which are great for hair growth, for moisturizing dry scalps, and for getting rid of dandruff. So I'm simply saturating each twist with the product, unraveling the twist, finger detangling, and brushing through. And yes, you guessed right, we've been talking about okra gel. To prepare your okra gel, wash and chop your okra into pieces. Transfer it into a pot and add water. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes and strain out your gel. Okay guys, the boho twists are down, my hair is detangled and it's ready to be washed. And this is how much hair I lost altogether. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.